Hey there, future financial moguls. Have you ever wondered how some families just seem to stay wealthy generation after generation? Do they have a secret vault filled with gold? Are they hoarding dragon treasures? Nope, the answer is much simpler. And today we're spilling the tea. Welcome to our channel where we turn financial wisdom into entertaining, actionable steps. In this video, we'll break down the Rockefeller strategy for building a family bank, sprinkle in some humor, and give you a game plan you can use to start your own generational wealth journey. Oh, and stick around to the end for a surprise bonus tip. The Rockefeller family didn't just become rich, they mastered the art of staying rich. Unlike other families who made fortunes and then lost them, cough Vanderbilt cough, the Rockefellers created a system that ensured their wealth grew across generations. So, what's their secret sauce? It's a family bank. Not a literal bank with vaults and tellers, but a system where the family acts as its own financial institution. Sounds fancy, right? It's actually pretty straightforward, and we're going to break it down step by step. Picture this. Instead of begging a regular bank for a loan, paying sky-high interest, and dealing with paperwork thicker than grandma's lasagna recipe, you borrow from your own family. With a family bank, you 1. Keep money within the family. 2. Teach financial literacy to younger generations. 3. Grow your wealth collectively like a team. It's like Monopoly, but everyone wins. No flipping the board in frustration when Uncle Gary buys Boardwalk. Alright, here's how you get started. First, create a trust. This is the backbone of your family bank. Think of it as the glue that holds your wealth together. Consult a lawyer to set up a trust that outlines how the money will be used and managed. Next, fund the trust. Start by pooling money from family members. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be Rockefeller-level millions. Even small contributions can grow over time. Then set rules. Who can borrow? For what purpose? How will repayments work? Set clear guidelines so Cousin Timmy doesn't try to borrow $10,000 for a hot tub business. Finally, invest wisely. Use the trust funds to invest in assets that grow over time, like real estate, stocks, or even businesses. This is where the magic of compounding works its wonders. Okay, let's be real. Money can make family gatherings awkward. Thanksgiving dinner might feel more like a shareholder meeting, but don't worry, with good communication and transparency, you can avoid drama. Here are some tips. Hold regular family meetings. Appoint a neutral third-party advisor. Keep emotions out of financial decisions, because trust issues are for soap operas, not family banks. Still not convinced? Let's look at some real-life examples of families who've built their own banks. One family used theirs to help members buy homes and start businesses. Another funded college educations, avoiding student loan debt entirely. If they can do it, so can you. Here's the bonus tip I promised: life insurance. The Rockefellers used life insurance policies as a tool to ensure the family bank never ran out of funds. Policies pay out to the trust, replenishing it for the next generation. It's like hitting the financial reset button every time. All right, financial dynamos, it's time to take action. Start small, think big, and remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about building a system that lasts. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Got questions or ideas for your own family bank? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who dreams of breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Let's build legacies, not just bank accounts. See you in the next video.